In this video, I will show you how to join Bybit copy trading. If you want to join Bybit copy trading, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open up the Bybit app, go to your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile, so now you tap on this all services button. After you open the all services, now you tap on the search at the top and search for copy. So here is it now, copy trading. After you select the copy trading, so from this option now you scroll to down. So now if you want to copy anyone in the copy trading section, you need to check how much this person is making in the last 30 days. So if you look at this person is making 800, almost 900% in the last 30 days. If you scroll to down, some are making 200% in the last 30 days, and some are making even like 700. Some are making almost 1000 profit, like 1000 percentage in the last 30 days. So now the next thing to do now, just go ahead now and find the person you want to copy his trade. Let's say I want to copy the trade of this person. I'll tap on this copy button. After you tap on the copy button, then you scroll to down. If you want to copy his trade, so you tap on this option and type in the amount you want to invest. So most of the time they will give you the minimum amount you can invest, or you can invest to start copying their trade. So this person added like 666 USDT. If you have, that's the minimum amount you can invest. If you have the amount and you are capable to start, just type in the amount, the minimum amount. After you type in the amount, if you have your balance in the funding or in the spot account, you just tap on this option now and choose the wallet that contain your money. So let's say you have the money inside your funding, you select the funding, or you have the money inside your spot, that you just select this unified trading. So for me, I'll go with this unified trading. After you select this one and type in the amount, just tap on this copy button. So by tapping on the copy button, so from there your trade will start copying. So now if you go back, if you want to see your trade, after you go back like this, go to up. After you go to the top, you tap on you tap on this my trade button. After you tap on the my trade button, so now if you have any open trade, you'll be able to see the trade in this option. If you want to cancel it, you can be able to see you'll be able to see a cancel button. By tapping on the cancel button, you confirm to cancel your trade in the Bybit spot trading or in the Bybit copy trading. So that's it guys on how to join Bybit copy trading. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.